Good morning, que pasa, amigos and amigas. So, today we have a little present. This is from our really good friend Shane of Adams Trading Company. So, I just felt like, documenting this experience. And, yeah, man, I haven't, as you can see, it's unopened. I'm not trying to, peek and see what's inside. I want you guys to experience this joy just like I'm, opening that leg from A Christmas Story, It's a lamp! Oh, where he thinks the bowling alley gets delivered to his house. One of my favorite movies, by the way. My dad and I and our family, we grew up watching A Christmas Story religiously in our family. So, all right, you guys, got something awesome. Get the heck out of here, dude. That is so fucking cool, man. How beautiful is that? Shane, dude, I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I friggin' love it. Oh, man. That is so cool. Dude, thank you so much, man. That is so cool, man. I see something like this, and I always have to reflect, I always have to reflect on where I started. Oh, man, that is so cool. Oh, dude. Shane, I love it, man. Thank you so much. Oh, dude. I love it. I seriously love it, man. Thank you. Dude. Whew, thanks, man. This is so cool, dude. Thank you.